Hey folks, Brandon here, continuing our video series on selling your home. Last week we talked about the pricing of your home, doing a comparative market analysis, and deciding on a list price. And this week I want to dive into the preparations for getting your home on the market. Once we have a listing price decided on and a listing contract signed, it's a matter of getting your house prepared and staged, getting photos taken, and then getting that home of yours in front of as many eyes as possible through our marketing avenues. So today I want to talk with you about preparing your home and getting it ready for photos. The best way I've heard staging described is to get your house as clean and depersonalized as possible so that the future buyers can easily imagine themselves living there. We want each room to look like a clean slate for the buyers to visualize their personal touch in the home. Packing away family pictures, knickknacks, stacks of papers, posters of your favorite sports teams, any clutter that takes away from the features of the home, pack it up. Anything personal that describes you, pack it away. You know, the person looking to buy your home, they're not you. They have different likes, dislikes, different tastes. So getting your home as neutral as possible is the key to effective staging. Clean the home. Have a cleaner come and do a deep clean of everything. Cleaning behind the toilets, cleaning the grout in the showers. Replace your air filters and replace any burnout light bulbs. And be sure each light bulb color matches the one next to it. You know, there's nothing like walking into a room and seeing a light fixture with a yellow bulb and a white bulb side by side. It's so distracting. You don't notice the beautiful crown molding or the hardwood floors. You just stare at the light fixture because the lights don't match. So take care of that. You know, get a duster and clean up the corners in the rooms. Clean some cobwebs out of the corners. Spackle and paint any unused holes. And maybe get the carpet shampooed in the bonus room. There's a lot we can do to make the home as welcoming as possible. When it comes time for professional photographs, we want to have all the lights on, all the blinds cracked open, and all the curtains drawn back to let in as much natural light as possible. Set up your bathroom towel rack like a hotel with the beautiful towels on there. Stash all the stuff on the counter under the sink for the day. Make your beds. Turn off the ceiling fans, and we're ready for a photo shoot. The photographers I work with are excellent at what they do, and they really make the home look fantastic for our digital marketing. In about 24 hours, they'll get all the editing done, and then we'll have all those photos uploaded to all of our marketing sites and get your home before as many eyes as possible. You know, the first impression of a home is a lasting impression. Home buyers look at so many homes online, so many homes in person. I want yours to stand out in their mind. Digital marketing is key. And having a beautiful staged home with beautiful photos makes a huge difference on the amount of traffic we have viewing the home. Next Friday, we're going to look at showings, open houses, and the marketing of your home. So I hope you'll join me next week in this series on selling your home. Thanks for being here today, and I hope you have a blessed week.